friends, today we are going to make ice cream in a bag, perfect for these summer days. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel to keep having fun together. For this activity, you'll need a large reusable bag with ice, a small reusable bag, 1/3 cup of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar. In the small Ziploc bag, mix together the heavy cream, vanilla, sugar. Take out all the air and seal it tightly. Shake it a few times to combine these ingredients. Open up your bag with ice and mix it with 1/3 cup of salt. Place the ice cream mixture inside of the ice bag. Take the air out and seal it properly. Shake the bag for 5 to 10 minutes until the ice cream looks frozen.
An eternity later.
Once your ice cream's ready, scoop it in a bowl and top it with your favorite things. You can freeze the leftovers for another time or share it with your friends and family. I hope you had fun with me today. I'll see you next Friday.